In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase and then send it to another wallet. Even if you're new to crypto, this step-by-step guide will make the whole process simple and easy to follow. Let's start with buying Bitcoin. Open the Coinbase app or website, and once you're logged in, tap the Buy button. From the list of cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin. Now enter the amount you want to purchase. This could be a small amount if you're just testing things out, or a larger amount if you're ready to invest more. Coinbase will then show you the price, the fees, and the total before you confirm. Take a moment to review those details, and once you're happy, hit Confirm. Within a short time, you'll see your Bitcoin appear in your portfolio. Now let's move on to sending it to another wallet. This is something you'll often do if you want more control over your crypto, or if you're sending it to a friend, family member, or even another exchange. To do this, go to your portfolio, tap on Bitcoin, and then select Send. Coinbase will now ask for the recipient's Bitcoin address. You can either paste the address or, if you're on a mobile device, scan their QR code. Double-check the address carefully because once Bitcoin is sent, it cannot be reversed. Next, type in how much Bitcoin you want to send. Coinbase will automatically calculate the fee and show you exactly how much the recipient will receive. Once you've reviewed everything and you're confident the details are correct, tap Continue and confirm the transaction. At this point, your Bitcoin is sent to the blockchain. Depending on how busy the network is, it might take a few minutes to go through, but you can always track the status from your transaction history inside Coinbase. And that's it. In this video, you just learned how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase and then send it to another wallet. It's a straightforward process, and once you do it once or twice, it becomes second nature. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free, virtual, and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.